What up, everybody? Sorry, I got a little carried away. I already opened the box without you guys. Some real fun goodies. Good looking. Speaking of good looking, what you doing, good looking? Alright, so this is my camera lady today. Her name is Chloe, my youngest baby. Here you go, mommy. Put these suckers on. And let's show them what's in the box, baby. Come on. So we got some stickers. Cool license plate frame. You see that? It's got like embossed letters. That is pretty cool. And to the real stuff. A PRL Inlet hose. Let's go ahead and open it while we're here. Peel off this plastic. Look how shiny that is. And of course the matched silicone style signature silicone hoses from PRL, as always. And then here comes another hose. Looks like we have 3 hoses in here today. Let's see. Another one. This one goes on the inlet side. Yeah, so this goes on the inlet side. Alright. Ooh, shiny. That is nice. Look at that. Look how shiny that is, baby, huh? I have it on my Accord. So these are actually looking better. Nice. Good job, Hero. And then, of course, your hoses that you're going to be using. This is a cool one. Ready? You ready, Chloe? Dun, dun, dun. This is the life of the party, aka Titanium Inlet. And my God, that is pretty. This is actually polished. These have gotten way better. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave it in the wrap just to protect it while I'm installing. Okay, I'll probably throw somewhere on there, but there you go. So this is where your coolant line attaches, and then this is where the old inlet pipe or intake pipe would attach with a 10 mil. So that's your unboxing, guys. Let's put everything back in the box and let's get to working, huh? So we're gonna get started by taking off the inlet, and we're gonna come over here with it. That starts by taking 2mm or 10mm bolts out. This one right here, and then this one down there. Okay, so there's a 10mm here. Make sure you don't lose it. Should look like that. Literally just got back from cheerleading practice for this one over here behind the camera. So the car is really hot because we were driving it. And yeah, you can feel that heat. It's like a little heater, so it's going to be really hot around this area. So be careful, guys, if you're doing this. Obviously recommend doing this when the car's cooled off. But you know. Okay, so 12mm bolt right there for the inlet. We're laughing because we weren't even recording. And then another 12mm bolt right here, as you can see by the bypass valve. But before we do that, we want to make sure that we take off the other stuff that needs to come off first, like these 10mm bolts that hold your coolant line. So let's take this out. And like I said, be careful because it's really hot, especially around the turbo. Hold it. Okay, so now that's loose and it's off of that. And then we have a 10 up here. All right, 10 mil with an extension. Let's go in there. There's our trusty old magnet. 7 mil, 7 mil, 7 mil, 7 mil, 7. There we go, 7 mil. Okay. So there goes. And where's this one at? 2. And I'm gonna leave this one on this side because I want to see if that's the same one as the one that we just got in the box. But that's loose, that's loose, that's loose. Okay. Oh, and then don't forget this little guy. That's off of your evap lines. Actually, this is your evap. That's just your breather line. There we go. So 12 mil extension, Milwaukee, right? So you can see back there. Trusty old magnet. There we go. Probably gonna need the smaller extension for this one. Let's see. Yep, smaller extension. Our camera lady's back. Hey, gotta get some light in here, baby. There. Okay, so. Okay, that's hot. Okay, so there's our bolt. Now it's loose, right? So now we can pull it out. And it's really freaking hot, guys. And I'm wearing gloves. Oh, okay. That is hot. Okay, I need some oven gloves. What the heck am I cutting? Oh, this plastic. Okay, there we go. There it is. Ta-da! So, that sucker's coming off. Let's put it down for now. Oh my god, it's hot. Grab the gasket. Don't lose that. This goes in between the turbo and the inlet, so clean that off. So to be perfect, just make sure it's a clean surface where it seals on the turbo. We have the RV6 turbo in here, right? Still looking mighty fine. Yeah, okay. So, where? Oh my god, guys. So, funny story, we went to her cheerleading class, right? And this dude has been chilling on the window. So we went for a 30-minute drive to cheerleading back and forth. We were cheerleading for an hour, right, baby? For a whole freaking hour for cheerleading. We come out, and this dude is on the freaking antenna. And on the way home, which is another 15 minutes, he was still on there. The dude likes the Type R, I guess. Huh. What up, dude? So we're going to put the inlet back in, or the new one on, I guess. So it goes like this, okay? So make sure it's sealed in there. Just got to hug it to stay on there. This is the fun part. So you got to move stuff around. And that is really freaking hot. I forgot. Woo! Okay. Gonna work our way in there. Like so. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. See that? That's how it goes. We're gonna reuse those. So this is how I like to do these, okay? So I like to put them on the big magnet in the center there, as centered as possible, right? Shorten it, and then we're gonna drop it in here so you don't lose it, and drive it straight in where it's actually gonna go, and move this around as much as you need. And then you see my rotation on my hand? That means I'm threading it in. Just be enough to get it started, right? If you pull the magnet out and it doesn't come with it, that means that it's started. You don't want to tighten them yet until you're completely in there, right? So we're gonna go back here. Okay. This one might be a little bit harder. There you get the gist of it. Just want to get it started a couple times. Okay. Now you pull it away. That means that it's in there. On an extension, and we're going to get it started. Or keep going with it, I should say. And for this, you don't want to use the impact. You don't want to use the electric ratchet. You want to use it so that you're doing it by hand, so you don't strip these bolts. They're very delicate. And at this point, you can tighten it since you already got the other one started. Okay? It's going to take a while because you're in a tight space. That one is all the way in. See that? So that one's all started, and you can see the gasket there, the little black legs. That's good. Okay? So now we're going to go back and finish the other one out. Alright, there we go. There we go. Not too tight. Okay. This is going to be the one that says PRL on it, the short one. That's going to be here, like so. Okay. You probably want the PRL to be nice and pretty, showing up, just like that. Okay. So just like that. As you can see, the matched ports all smooth, right? It's not the same. Look at that. So a lot smaller, right? Look how smaller it is. So yeah, we definitely have to swap this out. So let's take that out. All the hose clamps are loose, so grab the hose clamps so you don't lose them. And we're gonna wiggle this out. Just can't forget that. Very important, right? Right, baby? Why is the hose clamp important?
So it stays in place.
There you go. Smart baby. Alright, and this one will go here. That's literally the same thing. So we're going to leave that one alone. Okay? So let's take it out so we can squeeze the other one in. Okay, so let's put these hose clamps onto that inlet. Careful with the heat again. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so we're gonna be very careful with this so we don't scratch it. I do plan on burning this, guys, putting a torch to it so that it changes colors. I want it to get to like a blue, gold, like so. Oh, it's gonna be hot. Oh, that is so hot. That is super hot. Okay. And then, that's going to be the tricky part. So let's just take, oh, need that clamp. Definitely need that clamp. Hopefully it's, yep, right there. Man, these magnets are so handy. Like so. Right? Right, clamp? Oh, how do you know, dude? Who told you? So that'll go like so. And then obviously put this in here. Like so. And let me show you how it looks inside. It's all nice and smooth. Look at that beauty. Oh, that's so sick. Sick shot. Okay. So now that that's in place, we're going to leave all the hose clamps loose, right? We're going to line it up to those bolts. Line it up to that bolt in the back. And then put the other hose clamp here, which is already here. Oh, no, actually, here. And then we're going to have to squeeze this between these two. So this is the kind of finicky part, I guess. I guess if I had smaller fingers. Yeah, so it's all finalized here. We're just going to go ahead and tighten everything with a 7mm. Trying to get them a little snug, but not tight, you know what I mean? Very long. Okay, so we're gonna leave them snug there, and then when it comes to this one over here, okay, don't tighten it all the way, just make sure it's snug. This one, okay. All right, we can stop recording. Now that you got everything tightened down, all the hose clamps in the right position and everything, now we can put these bolts back on. Okay, there's one. There is two. Now guys, don't be an idiot like me and forget to put this sucker in. This is the one that goes in between the inlet and the head. So I'm gonna have to take this off again so I can put this in the right place. So don't make that mistake. Don't forget to put that in. Now I don't know if these are going to be able to tell a difference, but let's start it up and see. Here, let me put the camera down over here. Alright guys, you want to see what this is all about? Let's put the GoPro inside. So there you have it, a little bit later. Let's put it right here, or it's not going to fall. Let's find out how it sounds. hear it a little bit better that way. You guys hear it?